Welcome to our Python tutorial series. Today we are going to answer some important questions about Python. So what is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world today, and for good reason. It was designed to be easy to read and simple to understand, making it a great choice for beginners and professionals alike. Python emphasizes readability, which means its code looks more like human language, allowing you to focus more on solving problems than on understanding complicated syntax. Let's take an example. We are printing here Hello World. As you can see, Python's syntax is clean and straightforward. This simplicity has helped Python become one of the most widely used languages for web development, data analysis, and many more. So, what can Python actually do? Well, Python is incredibly versatile. Whether you want to build websites, automate tedious tasks, analyze data, or even work on AI projects, Python has you covered. Let's take a look at some areas where Python shines. Web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask allow you to build powerful websites. Data science. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib are widely used for data analysis and visualization. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow and scikit-learn help in building AI models. Automation. Python can automate repetitive tasks like renaming files or scraping data from the web. Game development. Libraries like Pygame make it easy to develop 2D games. Now you might be wondering, why has Python become so popular? Well, here are some reasons. First, it's beginner friendly. Python's syntax is simple and resembles English, making it easier to learn even if you have never written a line of code, and you can get up and running quickly with Python. Second, Python has a huge community. This means there are tons of tutorials, forums, and libraries available. Whatever problem you encounter, chances are someone has already faced it and shared a solution. You don't have to worry about it. And third, Python is a cross-platform. This means you can run Python on Windows, macOS, Linux, and even mobile devices. It's also used by large companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. So how does Python actually work? Python is an interpreted language, which means that your code is executed line by line. You don't need to compile your code like you would with languages such as C or Java. This makes the development process faster and more flexible. Here is an example. When you write a simple line of Python code like this, x equals to 5, y equals to 10, print x plus y, the Python interpreter reads the code, understands it, and instantly executes the result, which in this case would be 15. No compiling needed. So, why should you learn Python? Whether you are aiming for a career in tech, data science, or AI, or you just want to automate some everyday tasks, learning Python is a valuable skill that opens up countless opportunities. The demand for Python developers is growing, and having Python skills can help boost your career in various fields. That's a quick introduction to Python. Thank you for listening so patiently and staying with me till the end. Love, take care, and always keep spreading positivity.